Imagine looking up and seeing a feathered missile falling from the sky. The peregrine falcon, the fastest animal on Earth. Every part of its body is built for precision hunting. Every deadly strike begins with altitude. The higher it climbs, the more power it stores. Then comes the stoop.
Even at deadly speed, it can still breathe, and it can still see.
It survives forces that would knock out a human pilot.
A single strike at highway speed can end the hunt instantly.
A living missile, one of nature's greatest predators.